You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this acronym once and for all correctly. And if you want to learn all the character names that are so confusing that everyone gets wrong, well, stay tuned, we've got them all at the end of the video. But now, how do you say? You can say either the full name, a court of thorns and roses, a court of thorns and roses, or ACOTAR. I believe that's the most common pronunciation. Do you pronounce it any other way? ACOTAR, ACOTAR, ACOTAR. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.